What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Up Entertainment. So there are calls, for a new boss of the NPA to come in and replace Batoyi. This is because it seems as if this woman does not know what is happening inside your own organization. Take for example, she's being asked, to name any rogue elements, who are there in the justice system, etc. And all the answers, that she is giving is that she doesn't know, there's nothing. And she has even gone as far as to say she can't even name, like, not she can't name, but she doesn't want to name those individuals there by the parliamentary committee. That is something, that ended up angering the likes of Julius Malema and Nomvalo. So that's why people are calling for her to be suspended. But what is happening is that her term is coming to an end in December, and someone else is going to be taking over in January. And when that happens, that means that the new NPA boss that is going to come in, when that person is then asked, about any rogue elements that are there within the entire system, that person is going to be like, I know nothing, I'm new here. So that's why these guys at the ad hoc committee are pushing Batoyi as hard as they can, because they do not want a scenario whereby she's going to go, come January, somebody else is going to come in and be like, I know nothing. And that new person, you can't blame them. But anyway, overall, looking at your testimony at the ad hoc committee, you can see that it was some kind of like wasted time, because there's nothing of substance, that she is talking about or even revealing, But anyway, this is it with Batoyi. We hope, that somebody else that is going to come in and replace her is someone who is going to be more knowledgeable in this field. I'll catch you guys on the next one.